Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the phone, update both the Google app and OnePlus system, then enable Assistant. Once done, grant overlay and storage permissions so the feature can capture screen content. Next, open Settings right arrow gestures or Assistant settings, toggle circle to search on. This gives you the drawing gesture. Make sure the screen lock and privacy settings allow on-screen capture. You're now ready to draw directly on the display and trigger searches instantly. With circle to search enabled, open the app or screen containing the item you want to find. You draw a circle with your finger. Quick, loose strokes work best to capture text, image, or a region. Once drawn, the selection overlay appears. Make sure to use the handles to refine edges so irrelevant parts are excluded. Tap the lens or search icon that appears. Google processes the crop and then shows results, actions, and contextual suggestions for that exact content. After the results load, review options. Copy text, translate, open related links, or jump to shopping and image results. You can save a result, share it via the share sheet, or take a screenshot for later. If circle to search doesn't work, make sure Assistant and overlay permissions are allowed. Disable aggressive battery optimization for Google and restart the phone. Reinstalling the Google app or resetting gesture settings usually resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.